Hello and welcome to our video review of the new Taskin Explorer Wheeled Rolling Travel Backpack. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the features and benefits of this amazing backpack. Are you tired of carrying around heavy backpacks while traveling? Do you want a backpack that's more efficient and convenient for your trips? Look no further than the Taskin Explorer backpack. The Taskin Explorer is a wheeled rolling backpack that offers a laptop compartment, expandable and convertible features, as well as other features that make it the perfect backpack for travelers. We'll talk about the design, capacity, and durability of the backpack as well as how to use its many features. The Taskin Explorer is the backpack you didn't know you needed for those long trips. In this video, we'll show you why you should consider the Taskin Explorer for your next adventure. Welcome to our review of the new Taskin Explorer Wheeled Rolling Travel Backpack. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the features and benefits of this amazing backpack. Body, design and capacity. The Taskin Explorer backpack has a sleek and modern design which makes it a stylish choice for travelers. It has a large compartment for storing clothes, toiletries, and other essentials. One of the standout features of the Taskin Explorer is its laptop compartment, which can fit laptops up to 17 inches. The compartment is well padded and offers excellent protection for your laptop. The backpack is also expandable, which means you can increase its capacity when you need to carry more items. Additionally, the Taskin Explorer backpack has a detachable daypack, which can be used separately for short trips. Durability. The Taskin Explorer backpack is made from high-quality materials, which make it durable and long-lasting. Its frame is made from aluminum, which makes it sturdy and able to withstand heavy loads. The backpack is also made from water-resistant materials, which means your belongings will stay dry even if you get caught in the rain. Wheeled rolling feature. One of the most significant benefits of the Taskin Explorer backpack is that it has wheels, which makes it easy to move around even when it's fully loaded. The backpack also has a telescoping handle, which makes it easy to pull. If you don't want to roll the backpack, you can also use the padded shoulder straps, which are comfortable and provide excellent support. Expandable and convertible features. The Taskin Explorer backpack is not only expandable, but it's also convertible. You can convert it into a rolling suitcase by zipping away the shoulder straps and harness. This feature is handy if you need to check the backpack in at the airport or if you want to carry it like a suitcase instead of a backpack. Overall, the Taskin Explorer backpack is easy to use. It has plenty of pockets and compartments to accommodate all your essentials. Additionally, the backpack has compression straps, which help to keep your belongings secure and organized. As you can see, the Taskin Explorer backpack is an excellent choice for travelers. It's durable, spacious, and comes with several useful features that make it stand out from other backpacks. Whether you're going on a long trip or just need a backpack for everyday use, the Taskin Explorer is a great option. So, what are you waiting for? Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and check out the Taskin Explorer backpack for your next adventure. Thank you for watching this review of the new Taskin Explorer Wheeled Rolling Travel Backpack. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. And don't forget to check out the Taskin Explorer backpack for yourself if you're in need of a durable, spacious, and convenient backpack for your next adventure.